but I seen Zebec IPO on there. That's where I got it from. So he's got a ETF, and now this is what Simon's talking about. Now you got this IPO over here. Now, I know a lot of you're like, what IPO? Yeah. It's early now, but if you log in, if you go to ForgeGlobal.com, you can create you a page as well. Well, not a page, but an account. Let me first say, this is not no Robinhood type site. This is for high net worth individuals who can get in on these things. They got things like Ripple in here. And from what I understand, I did a little bit more digging, and you need at least, they don't take anything under at least $5,000 to start, I guess, buying a stock or something like that, or getting into these IPOs like SpaceX before they actually hit. You need to be spending at least $5,000 or more. They asked me a whole bunch of questions about, well, what's your net worth? Do you need this money back right away? Things like that. But I got in it mainly to show you this about Zebec IPO as it is over here. So you look here, these are the company details right here. Blockchain founded in 2021. And for what I saw, they had them evaluated from when I was looking at it at $1 billion right now.